Walk into the open dining room here and the kitchen. All this wood on the ceiling. The floor's damaged, sunk down in the kitchen. And the dining room is bowed up a little bit. Door jambs rotted out. I started taking some of this stuff off the ceiling. This kitchen's, it's easy 2 inches lower than the dining room just by walking on it. Then we get the hallway, redo this, do the ceilings in all 3 rooms here. Got this little bathroom I kind of forgot about. All busted out. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right there. Laundry room, the power box. So I'm gonna get a lot of destruction in here. Take all these ceiling tiles out. Got plaster off the ceiling. We got a lot of ceiling plaster. The island's gone away. Get some of these ceiling pieces off. Waiting on the dumpster. Alright, we made another mess. But look, we got ceiling. We got ceilings. We're gonna clean this up, put it in the dumpster. All the way out in this hallway, and this utility room's getting gutted out. Shane did a proper job on that ceiling. He did not enjoy it, I know that. This house exterior is rock, and this area it looks like a fireplace on the outside, and the straight line where the water leak is where it's stubbed out from the house.
Oh,
What you can do with your $10, mate?
yeah, he got some humdingers.
Yeah.
Every now and then, though.
Well, here's the best worker of the day right here. He jumped right on the plan. He loves plaster. Waiting on the dumpster to come so we can clean this mess up. All right, here we are, day 5. Most of the living room ceiling's gone, except for a little sliver here. With the bay window on the wall. And then the hallway. Kitchen and dining room are done. Bathroom's pretty much done. In this room. Laundry room is about 70%. Our second 20-yard dumpster. All these little nails pull out. We pulled 1 million nails. I got this downstairs totally open. Bathroom, hallway. All we gotta do is next to these stairs. We're done. Let's start pulling up the floor. Right, here's the living room, the bay windows. The windows done. Get the floor in the kitchen, dining room up. And that was not too fun. The old hot water tank was here. This is where the refrigerator is going to go. And the new location for the hot water tank is under the stairs right here. The plumbers will be here next week to do that. The bathroom, we left the ceiling up there. That's plaster too, though. We ought to take it down. Then got this wall exposed, ready for insulation. We got access to electrical panels and access through the header there. Just got a little bit right here. This cabinet's kind of in the way. It's about to fall down anyways. Shane's working on the hallway to the door. Day 6. And I allotted 5 days for this. We'll come back tomorrow and work a little bit. But pretty much, we found some space in here underneath the stairs that we're going to put. Homeowners put access here under the stairs for storage, which is a good use of that dead space. And let me get over here. Kitchen, dining room, living room over there, and that the hot water tank is gonna be gone. We're gonna be building a pantry there, so that wall space. So they're gonna have a pantry and an island, and the kitchen cabinets on those walls right there. Alright, I knew this job was going to have a lot of plaster, but I really thought that the living room had been sheetrocked already. Turns out there were 3 layers to the walls over time. Somebody just kept adding material. So the first layer was the strips of sheetrock with the holes in it so the plaster could ooze through it and harden and hold to the wall. And then they put paneling up at some point in time. And then they sheetrocked it with 1/4-inch sheetrock on top of that. So there was a lot of debris, a lot of different joints, and it was not a lot of fun. But we got it done. It took an extra day and a half to do what we thought we were going to do in 5 days. With 3 of us, I thought 2 of us were going to be able to do it. Thank goodness Shane came on board to help us. We got the floor up in the kitchen and dining room. We're going to be working on this kitchen and dining room floor next video. We got a 2-inch drop in the kitchen area from that leaking hot water tank, and we're gonna fix that. Thanks for watching.